Yep, I'm not sure what Honda was thinking when they did a gray bumper, but we're going to fix it right here in this video. Yeet! What's good, Ghost Gang? This your boy, Ghost with the 2T's, back with another informative video. This will be a DIY, do-it-yourself, DIY, DIY, okay, blooper moment. But like I was saying, this is a do-it-yourself. It's easy to do. I'm going to show you all the steps to restore your back bumpers. If you have gray, ugly, crusty looking back bumpers like I do, I'm going to show you how to restore it. Okay. All right. Number one, you're going to need Plasti dip. That's the number one thing you're going to need. Then you're going to need something to tape the bumper off. And when you're doing these jobs, you're going to always go up above where you want the line to crease to pop away from. You're going to want to use one of these guns because that will go on top of it and it will help it spray evenly, shake the can well. You want painter's tape and also some paper or newspaper, and pretty much the area you want to spray is pretty much what you're going to do. Okay. And I'm going to set the camera up and you can kind of watch me do it and watch the steps that I do and how I lay the coats on. And you have to be patient with Plasti dip. That's how it comes out the best. Okay? So stay tuned to the video. Watch me and we'll go through the steps and applying it, and we'll show you the before and after. All right? Here we go. Okay, guys, but I didn't show the step, but you're going to always make sure you wipe off the surface and clean it really good with Windex or a cleaner, something that won't leave residue, that has maybe alcohol in it, where you can wipe the area that you're going to shoot. You're going to pre-spray it, attach your little gun attachment, and then you're going to do nice, even. You see how I'm mashing it? 1, 2, 1, 2. I'm not holding it down the whole time. And you want to do this the entire time across the entire bumper. And don't be so quick to do the entire bumper the whole time. Just work an area at a time and make sure you put a nice even mist. You see I'm about 3 to 5 inches away from what I'm spraying. Sometimes you can be closer depending on how good your spray bottle is. But you can see I got a really good spray bottle, so I'm not that far away, and I'm getting a nice little first thick coat up there. And you guys stay tuned to the next step. That's the first coat. Okay, guys, just a heads up. I don't show you guys in these videos me pre-taping everything off, but you want to always mask off with mask tape anything that you don't want to be sprayed, and any overspray can go on to that stuff that you masked off because you clearly are covering it up. But you want to work that surface and make sure you keep an inch or two extra. Okay, guys, when applying third coat, do nice even sprays. This is coat 3. And you're going to do the same thing you did the first time. It's pretty much rinse, repeat. But you want to make sure that you're not rushing the paint. You want to give them time to dry in between each segment that you're spraying, this, whatever section that you're spraying, wheels or bumper or whatever it is that you're working on. You want to make sure that you give yourself time so that you don't rush it so it doesn't bubble up. Plasti dip will bubble up if you put too much wet paint in one area. So you guys stay tuned, and I'll be showing you the fourth and final part. Okay, guys, applying the fourth coat, you want to make sure you keep nice even lines, rinse, repeat, and a repetition of doing the same thing again. Keep it about 3 to 5 inches away from what you're working with, and you're just basically building up a nice thick tolerance of rubber so that when you go to pull it off, it will pop on the line when you go to pull off the extra 2 or 3 inches that you should be over. All right, guys, now that I'm done, I put about I put a whole can of Plasti Dip on that bumper so it can be layered and have some protection, and you'll be able to wipe it off and do whatever you need to with it. You can see the steps I did. It's really easy. Do it yourself. They're self-explanatory. I'll show you the end result, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. All right, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'm super tired. It's been a long day, but I just wanted to touch bases with you and let you know that when you're using Plasti Dip, you must be very patient with it. You can't rush it. If you rush it, it may not turn out the way that you want it to, but if you do what you want to at your own risk. But I'm just giving you the advice that you should not rush the process of doing Plasti Dip. If it's a very hot day, the quicker it works. If the day's not so hot and it's around 50 or 60 like it was for me and the wind was blowing, you might want to give it that extra 5 minutes for it to dry. Have a little patience with it, and you'll get an outcome that'll last you a long time if you just be patient with it. That Plasti Dip needs to cure itself, and it just, every time you spray a new coat, it adds a new refreshing color to the old Plasti Dip. I don't know why that stuff works like that, that when you it's like it activates and open back up. And I got wheels on my porch that I've had for years, and they've been sitting there for years, and they flat and everything, but I can peel the Plasti Dip off of them right now. I did it earlier today. You can peel the Plasti Dip off of them. So that would be the best advice I can give you. And before you use any of your Plasti Dip on any of your cars, I know it's plenty of you guys who are going to watch this and you already know how to use it, but it's sort of people who do not know how to use it, that do not know how to do the DIY. I'm here to help them, guys. So don't get frustrated. Don't go in my comment section and say, we know this already. I know you guys know this, but it's people who don't. So that's why I'm making this video, for people who don't know, so that they can be aware. Make sure when you get the Plasti Dip at the store, wherever you choose to get it, from Advanced Auto is $9.99, and Pep Boys is $10.29 or something like that. So I want to make this video possible for you guys. I figured I'd put them together. I got a lot more content coming for you guys. I got so much going on right now. Yes, I did get a new vehicle, 03 Honda Pilot. I'm loving it. My family's loving it. And I'm so excited, man. That car is so awesome. It's got so many bells and whistles. I can't wait to do the review with you guys. And I'm so sleepy, I just got my eyes closed while I'm talking to y'all. That's how tired I am. But I wanted to put this video together so that you guys will be informed. And if you guys have any questions, like you guys always do, make sure you go down in the comment section and hit me with a sub, a like, and then go down in the comment section and leave me any questions that you guys may have. I'm here to answer you. That's why I have my channel. I love you guys, and this wouldn't be possible without you guys. So God bless y'all. Let's go 32 T's, and I'm out.